Tori we come on we. E come on our side for Limbe. Now some very kind Tori countrywoman. So get them. They in a sister. Two sister demo. Two sister. They enter bike. Sandra and Mercy. They enter bike now. They will go for that side for ngueme. Now how the thing happen? Now for Sunday, we learn the one. The news come we. Now yesterday we will come up for here. The news come say wait for Sunday morning. For that side for ngueme, for Limbe. The pikin they enter, the young girl they enter bike, motorbike. Ora na wetin happen no. Driver for some motor enter, for some rough card, bam! For the bike way be carry the together. Hey, where? They rush them for hospital. Now so they welly they now so they now end of the story that they sleep straight like ruler. They together kick pocket for that side for hospital for Limbe. I don't know play the driver there. But the news now say they together don't quarrel. If you see them before for moto, that means say they kind of speed where the driver be the driver and for jump bike. So take motor bend for that way so. That means say if the drive now for cut notes neck speed. That what they call it say cut neck speed. That means say now recklessness. Yes, now recklessness. You want it so no be 2 grams they go talk about it. Now recklessness.